Do you want to wake up with a flatter stomach without doing a single sit-up or starving yourself to death? This is a simple trick that you can do at home. If you like this recipe or any other free resources, make sure you click the link below, sign up, and I send all my stuff out every Saturday through emails, and you will get this recipe. This is a really simple tea that I made up. I was just experimenting one day, and I was just like, what if I combine all these teas in one to see if I could get a flat stomach in the morning, because I always get a lot of bloating and stuff. So if you have any IBS issues or whatever, just try this out and see if it works. So what I do is I boil water in the microwave for 5 minutes. Then I just put in my 3 different teas, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, drink it, and by the morning my stomach is flat and it feels good. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next video.